Our story today is called The Chicken with a Golden Secret. Once upon a time, in a little village surrounded by green hills and sparkling rivers, there lived a farmer named Uncle Ted. Uncle Ted loved three things in life: eating, napping, and collecting eggs. One day, Uncle Ted was walking around his farm when he heard a cheerful cluck from his chicken coop. Inside sat his favorite hen, Goldie. Why was she his favorite? Because every morning without fail, Goldie laid a shiny golden egg. Yes, you heard right, an egg that is golden. The first time Uncle Ted saw it, he almost fainted. A golden egg. Oh my belly and buttons, I'm rich. Every day after that, Goldie laid another golden egg. Uncle Ted would carefully place it in a basket, hug it tight, and then dream about all the delicious noodles, dumplings, and meat buns he could buy. At first, Uncle Ted was happy. One golden egg a day was already amazing. But the more he thought, the more his smile turned into a greedy grin. If one egg a day makes me rich, what if I could get all the eggs inside Goldie at once? Then I'd be the richest man in the whole kingdom. He rubbed his hands together. Yes, why wait? I want all the eggs right now. That evening, as Uncle Ted leaned against the chicken coop plotting, Goldie tilted her head and looked at him. Cluck, she asked, in her chicken way of saying, "Hey, Uncle Ted, are you thinking something silly?" Uncle Ted laughed nervously. Of course not, Goldie, my love. Just keep laying eggs for me tomorrow, okay? But Goldie wasn't convinced. She flapped her wings and gave him a sharp peck on the hand, as if to warn. Don't be greedy, old man. Don't do something foolish. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. The next morning, instead of waiting for Goldie's daily golden egg, Uncle Ted grabbed a shiny kitchen knife. Sorry, Goldie, he said, but today I'm going to find your secret egg factory inside you. He lifted the knife dramatically. But at that very moment, Goldie let out the loudest cluck anyone had ever heard. The whole village stopped what they were doing. Grandmas dropped their knitting, children dropped their kites, and even the mayor dropped his dumpling. Uncle Ted panicked, but he still ended Goldie's life. And what did he find inside Goldie? Nothing. No pile of golden eggs. No magical egg factory. Just a very normal chicken stomach. Uncle Ted's face turned as pale as flour, and he said, "Wait, no eggs? No gold." Now Goldie was gone, and there would be no more golden eggs. The villagers shook their heads and scolded him. Oh man, Uncle Ted, you had the most amazing chicken in the world, and you ruined it because of your greed. Little children pointed at him and sang a silly rhyme. Greedy Ted, silly Ted, no more eggs for what you did. Uncle Ted sat on the ground, holding the empty basket where golden eggs used to shine. He looked at the coop, now silent and lonely, and sighed. If only I weren't so impatient. If only I had listened to Goldie's warning. From that day on, Uncle Ted became the poorest farmer in the village. He had no chicken and no eggs. The only thing he had left was the lesson he would never forget. If you are too greedy, you may lose everything. Sometimes, when people in the village told the story of Uncle Ted and Goldie, they added a little twist. They said that if you listened very closely at night near the old chicken coop, you could still hear the ghost chicken muttering, "Silly old man, are you happy now?" And every time Uncle Ted heard it, he pulled his blanket over his head and promised, "I'll never touch another chicken with a knife again." The tale of Uncle Ted and Goldie teaches us something important, and our wisdom today is: greed makes you lose what you already have. It's better to appreciate what you get little by little instead of ruining it all because you want too much, too fast. And remember, kids, if you ever meet a magical chicken, don't try to harvest all the eggs at once. I hope you liked the video today. Leave your thoughts in the comments section.